Well, good morning. Today we are at Devil's Den State Park.
It is near West Fork, Arkansas, and this is a gorgeous fall day, and we are super excited because we are gonna hike the Yellow Rock Trail. We've got my brother and my mom with us, and of course Jasper. It's about a 3-mile loop, and we cannot wait to get out in the woods on a glorious fall day.
So the main feature of this trail is to see Yellow Rock, and you get some incredible views of the Lee Creek Valley. This trail was made in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps and is part of the National Trails System.
The trail starts off pretty nice and level, goes through these gorgeous woods. It's wide enough that you can walk side by side with a friend, and has these very pretty wooden bridges that you get to cross a couple of times with spectacular views through the leaves of the valley below. There are 2 trailheads to do the Yellow Rock Trail. One is more down by the lake area, and we chose the one that's up further toward Highway 170. That is by the overlook. So when you do the overlook way, you come straight down the trail for a while. You're going to cross 2 bridges. As soon as you cross the second bridge, you're going to come to the junction, which is right behind me, and that's where the loop starts. So you can continue going on straight, or you can take a left turn, whichever way you want to go. We're going to go straight.
Well, Arkansas is certainly beautiful year-round, but it is hard to beat it in the fall. And there's just something about getting out in the woods, crunching some leaves, seeing the beautiful fall colors, and just getting those amazing smells. It's just a wonderful experience.
Gotta love when you have a hiking buddy.
If you're watching this video and have not yet subscribed to our channel, we would just love to have you as a subscriber. We do a lot of campground reviews and other various adventures just to show how fun it is on the weekends to get out and enjoy this beautiful country.
At about 3/4 of a mile in, you're going to come to a junction that's going to give you a sign that's going to tell you to go this way to see the overlook, and then it gives you signage to get back to the trail. This trail is very well marked with white diamond blazes, so you're not going to get lost when you're out here. Just past the overlook, you're going to start going up the hill, and there's going to be some stairs that you go up and some really beautiful bluff formation. So be ready for a little bit of the up climb. After the stair climb, you get another gorgeous walk through the woods. Hiking in the fall in Northwest Arkansas, you just can't beat it. All this glorious color, and you've got family you can spend time with, and we are here on a perfect day. It's about 50 degrees and no wind. I just love fall hiking.
Okay, hun, so what are some of your thoughts on this trail?
Oh, it's a great one to do. I would definitely do it though in the spring or the fall when it's a little cooler. It's very doable for most people. You can take little bitty kids, you know, just about anybody, even grandma.
Yeah.
That's a joke in our family. Grandma's a great hiker.
We have seen lots of families on this trail and lots of little kids on this one today. Some little babies, some little toddlers, and families were doing a good job of keeping everybody off the edge.
Yes,
at the overlook, but a very doable trail.
Yeah, even with it being 3 miles, because it's level in so many spots, it's very doable. Lots of places to stop and catch your breath. And again, the main feature, the Yellow Rock overlook, stunning, especially in the fall.
So this is another great example of a fantastic place for a little outing. Make sure to get out and enjoy, because today is an adventure day.